Hi everyone, this is Megan, your lemongrass consultant. So today we're going to be going over our facial kit, and I am a new consultant, so I'm going to be going over the facial kit that was in my kit, it's normal to dry skin is what we're going to go over. And my skin type is actually not normal to dry, but I wanted to give the proper review to you guys and try it out. So first I'm going to start off with our botanical cleansing gel. So this is going to be like your facial wash, and it has botanical oils and with aloe as the base and essential oils, and it just helps feed your skin, guys, and all natural. And so here it is, if you can see it. So this is actually a 2-in-1, which is kind of cool. So it not only, you can wash your face with this cleansing gel, but also acts as a makeup remover. So super awesome. You can use this for washing your face and also removing your makeup. And next is our hydrating facial polish. And this, you guys, is pretty much your exfoliator, right? So after you wash, this is going to be taking away all those dead skin cells. That is so much needed. And I am very basic, by the way, you guys, with how I was with my skincare before lemongrass. So this is all very new to me, and this is something that I recommend what you should do in a skincare regimen. And the next one is our botanical face cream. So after you do your wash and your exfoliation, then you're going to apply our face cream. And this, I love it. It's so light and so smooth, and I love this. And to seal the facial regimen with this normal to dry skin type is our rose water facial mist. And this is made with actual the rose flower water. So it's giving your face the nutrients and the proper nutrients that it needs. So now that I've shown you our normal to dry skin type, we also have our normal to oily, like a combination, and we also have oily, which I can't wait to try the oily. And there's different colors with that. So the pink, normal to dry, our blue is going to be, I believe, also normal to dry, and the oily is going to be orange. So I cannot wait to do a review on that one. But in the meantime, for my oily skin, this is what I've been doing my regimen that I'd like to show you guys. So anybody out there with oily skin, raise your hands, virtually, that is. And with acne prone, right? So this is our tea tree facial soap. I don't know if you can see it. Okay. And this pretty much, you guys, is highly recommended for oily to acne prone skin. Now I'll use it for my face, for my body, everywhere. And I'll tell you what, guys, I actually tell the difference in using this bar of soap versus when I was using Aveeno before lemongrass. I felt like this residue after I was using Aveeno. And with this, I actually feel squeaky clean, like I'm actually getting the proper wash, and my body's getting the proper nutrients that it needs. And with using our tea tree bar soap for the moisturizer, you can use our coconut rehab cream. And this, guys, is so awesome. You can also use it for anti-aging and wrinkles and so much more. And so that's been my skin regimen. Now, if you guys have any questions, please be sure to message me or comment below. Okay, bye guys.